Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello Table View step by step. Table View lets you see and manage your Trello cards in a spreadsheet-style layout, making it easier to organize tasks, sort information, and track progress across your boards. So let's get started. First, open Trello in your web browser and sign into your account. Next, open the board that you want to manage. At the top of the board, look for the Views option. Click on Views and then select Table. Trello will switch from the standard board layout to Table View. In Table View, you'll see all of your cards displayed in rows and columns similar to a spreadsheet. Each row represents a card, while the columns display information such as the card name, list, labels, members, due dates, and more. You can click on any card in the table to open it and make changes. For example, you can update the card title, add descriptions, assign members, set due dates, or add attachments. You can also sort the table by clicking on a column heading. For instance, click the Due Date column to sort tasks by their deadlines. If you need to find specific cards, use the Filter option at the top of the page. You can filter cards by members, labels, due dates, or other criteria. Table View also allows you to quickly edit information without opening each card individually. Simply click on a field and make your changes directly from the table. Any updates you make in Table View are automatically synced with your Trello board. This makes Table View especially useful for managing large projects and reviewing multiple tasks at once. Keep in mind that Table View availability may depend on your Trello plan. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Trello Table View. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.